What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of El Jardín Perdido. Today we're planting onions and garlic. Alright, so we're in February in Houston, Texas, zone 9A, and a few weeks ago I planted some garlic. I had a little extra onions and garlic, and I wanted to show you a really easy way to plant this stuff. So you want to do this when it's a little colder outside. If you get hit with a hard frost, it might take it down a bit, but not the end of the world. If you're up further north and you get a really hard freeze, yeah, that's different. But here in the south, we can grow onions and garlic through the winter most of the time. So in the case with onions, what I do is when I cook with them, I'll basically leave the core and cut off everything else and stick them back in the fridge. And after just a little bit of time, they'll start to sprout. You literally just put these in the ground, make sure they can sprout out, and by the end of the season, you should have some onions of your own. As for garlic, yeah, you probably want to go organic. People show you different things, sprouting them in water, etc. You don't even really have to peel off all the paper, and you can literally just place these in the soil just below and you'll have garlic. So I'll show you my bed over here that I planted, I think just a week ago. And you can see how quickly these things sprout. So on the right side here, I have garlic. I guess one bulb either got dug up by something or didn't quite make it, but we're just gonna place that right back in there. And that's really all you have to do with garlic, just right below the soil. If you look a little further, you'll see the onions, and that's just in a week of being in the ground. They're already sprouting up, really nice color. You can also harvest from the sprouts here, kind of use them as chives. Same with the garlic, actually. It's really awesome. It's a great winter crop. I've about planted this out, but I do see one spot here. It's really this easy. You're just putting it in. Okay, I guess I had one that hadn't sprouted, but we'll put one here. You just backfill it, and it's literally that easy. As for the garlic, you saw with the other one, poke a little hole, put it right below the soil surface, and you're good. All right, guys, so that was just like a little maintenance I was doing and wanted to illustrate for you really quick how to get a nice little side crop in the winter. It's always kind of depressing, especially around here, because I grow a lot of tropicals, not to have something growing. You can have your collards and Swiss chards and brassicas growing in the winter here, but you can also get a really nice yield of onions and garlic. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing or giving it a like, helps the algorithm. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.